Operation of air compressor. Long press this start button after power on until the start delay countdown is displayed above. After the countdown is complete, the air compressor is started. Other buttons. No need to click to operate. This is the power switch. Click to power up. Boot screen. Select language. Re-entry system. Click the two buttons on the left to open. Other buttons and parameters. It's all set internally. Parameters generally do not need to be adjusted. First, we click the blue button. Pop-up 1H is the parameter of high-pressure shutdown. This shows that 600 is a normal value. The left button is to increase. The right button is reduce. After setting, click the blue button to switch to 1L. Set low voltage start value. General low voltage start 550. Then it's 600 if it stops at high pressure. After setting up, just click the blue button. Let's press the leftmost button. Show OWL. Click again, and a number is flashing. Middle two buttons. Flashing numbers can be changed. The far right button is Shift. We change the number to 99.99. Display OWL after confirming. Press the third key again to display the tick. Settings take effect.